So Blazer, how or what makes you keep coding for 12 hours every day?
Ah, my God.
Yeah,
That's
man.
a
I caught you off
that's
guard,
a
huh?
complic that's that's a complicated question.
Yeah, but for the
Nowadays,
background, you maybe tell us the background as well. Like, when did you start? And I mean, since I know you, which is 1 year now, you have been coding every single day, not for only 8 hours for work, but also after that until night, maybe even 6 hours plus, so 14 hours or so. So, what makes you keep doing that? And why do you do that, man? Are you addicted or something?
I mean, it can be classified as addicted, but not really addicted. Yeah, I mean, no one codes 14 hours a day, at least not every day. But
Yeah,
yeah, I would
not in a
say
row.
is yeah, when you have projects
Oh,
that you build and people actually use, and you want to continue improving it and supporting it, or you want to continuously push your skills to like a new level. So you keep doing something maybe new every day or the same thing, but in a different fashion where every time you iterate, you do something better. You find new ways or
what does
you
iterate mean?
discover and do something over and over again, like
Oh, like at the
looping a
background.
list.
Oh, you don't see the
Yeah,
background.
like yeah, imagine you looping a list.
Mm-hmm.
You basically iterating that list. So when you iterate something, you're going through over and over again.
Okay, okay. But like you work 8 hours, right? And you code for 8 hours as well. And let's say you just code, even if you work 8 hours, you code for, I don't know, 4 or 6 hours because you have meetings and you have to go to eat or something. I don't know. But what do you code after that? Like, for those who don't know, Blazor has this Pesos app,
Yeah,
which is a financial app, and you can track all your expenses and all that stuff. Really cool stuff for Android and also iOS.
iOS. Yeah,
Yeah, and I
yeah.
mean
For
that's
iOS,
something you do. Yeah.
yeah, for iOS is still in the testing phase. It's not released.
Oh yeah, I
If someone
remember.
wants, I can send them the invites. But
Okay,
yeah,
okay, okay. Yeah.
not every day that I code for 8 hours. Like sometimes it's less because you like you mentioned meetings and all, or sometimes the task just takes less time. And then after that, of course, I can work on my personal projects after work, which is like more coding, or I read articles, which are like I read every day at least 4 or 3. Yeah, so that keeps me busy, learn new things, and refresh my mind on what I already forgot or forgot how to do.
Okay, but why do other people don't do that? For example, Tanak.
They're
He
lazy.
also is a coder and lazy.
Yeah, you either lazy or you have other priorities.
Yeah, but what is your
Which
priority? Like the main reason you say, okay, you like to build something, but is that the only reason why you keep doing that? Like, for example, you also have this Pomodoro timer and this live clock, which you can see here atop of me. You also build that. Like, you just do it nonstop. You add new features. Why?
yeah, I mean, if you have, let's say you have no, 3 habits, all of them take a huge amount of time. Let's say 4 or 3 hours a day. It can be gaming, can be wasting time on Netflix, can be watching YouTube videos about anything that's not contributing to your knowledge bank. If you replace
Knowledge
those
bank.
habits, if you replace those habits by one which actually helps you and helps other people around you, you'll find that you spend most of the time on that habit. So for me, I replaced gaming with coding, which I used to game a lot, like too much. I replaced it with programming and my other habits that I even forgot about, playing video games. Uh, I think I mentioned that, right? Playing video
Yes.
games. I used
Oh,
to
the
play a lot
piano
of
maybe.
football. Yeah, oh, that's actually something I have to get back to doing. Play the keyboard because I haven't
Oh
played in a
man.
long time and I'm rusty, like the language rust, but the language is better.
So
Yeah,
you basically have to sacrifice something good for something better.
yeah. For some, I would say for the first like period of time, if you're trying to change something, make a change, you
Okay, thank you,
literally
Blazer. Bye.